Welcome back, everyone. It's Jacob here from Echo Valley Homestead, and today's video is going to be taking a much different format than you're probably used to. So in this video, I actually have not been home I've been home a little bit, but I haven't had much time to work on the farm. But that doesn't mean the farm work stopped. So I've had some help back home. Dad and Rosanna took a video, and then they sent me some videos to put a video together for you guys. So I was going to do an intro here and let you guys know what's going on, and then I'll let you get started in the video. So if you remember in our last video, I told you guys that we have a new kind of surprise for the summer on the homestead, that we've been researching for a while and really looking into it. Well, so let's just say today that surprise is going to be revealed. So first up, they're getting the Ventrac. As you guys can see, it's the Ventrac. That's the big surprise, that we got. They're putting some, I guess, chain hooks on the front of it, and they're bolting those on. And then today they're going to be going down, and they're going to be, if you remember, we've had these storms come through, and we had a hay feeder get blown all the way down there in the creek. So they had taken the Ventrac down there with the big dual wheels. It's pretty muddy because it's kind of in the middle of a creek. So, and a kind of a marshy wet area. So they're using that, and hopefully that thing can just glide right in there and pull right out.
I think that looks about right. Enough room there that we can get in there with it. How big is need an earplug, huh? Ooh, look at that. This goes in there like that. Might be a little bit tricky to get that. Okay. Good.
So the last thing that they did here is they tried to straighten it out a little bit. I don't know if they had too much success with it. I think they might be taking it to our machinist to do some more work on it, but you can see here what the attempt they made. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching this video. Thanks to Dad and Rosanna who recorded it for me and then sent it to me so I could still get a video even though I'm up here at college. But hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll catch you on the next one.